Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Thiora Quiz. Today, I've got another quick challenge to test your observation skills. In today's video, you'll need to find the odd emoji in 40 questions. Each question has only one emoji that's different from the others. You'll have 10 seconds for each question, and every correct answer earns you 1 point. Keep track of your score. Let's get started. Look closely. You found it! Which emoji is different? Exactly. Stay focused. You're right. Do you see the odd one? That's it. Keep your eyes sharp. That's right. Can you spot it? You found it! Don't blink. That's right. Take a close look. That's the one. This one is tricky. You still got it. Let's try another one. Perfect. Can you see it? You found it. Don't miss it. Here's the answer. Hurry up. You got it. Where's the odd emoji? You found it. Stay focused. Exactly right. Take another look. You spotted it. Be careful. That's the correct answer. Sharp eyes. You nailed it. Did you spot it? That's the one. Next one. You're right. Don't rush. You found it. Look even closer. Exactly. Let's test your eyes. Great job. Can you spot the difference? That's right. Quick eyes. You found it. This one is tricky. Still correct. Don't just glance. You found it. Stay focused. Perfect. Only a few seconds left. You made it. Which emoji is it? That's the one. Take another look. You're right. Don't give up. You found it. Let's keep going. Correct. Can you see the difference? You got it. Almost done. Still correct. Keep it up. You found it. Just a few questions left. Amazing job. Second to last question. You're still right. You're almost at the finish line. You still found it. Final question. Did you find it? Congratulations! You've completed the challenge. How many points did you score out of 40? Let us know your score in the comments below and tell us which question was the hardest to solve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Thiora Quiz, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another fun challenge.